My name is Paolo Moya. Uh, Today I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. I always get up if 6:15 in the morning. Then I shower, head drinks, I have breakfast. Uh, I usually have coffee and bread with chicken, and after that I go to work at 8, and I work 8 hours a day. Mm, my my job usually ends at 70 o'clock at night. When I get home, my mom makes dinner and I study English for an hour. Or I go to bed at um, 10, 13 o'clock and 8. On Saturday I usually go out with my friend to my friends to play soccer, uh, or go shopping. um, I also like to listen to music. um, on Sunday is on Sunday I have my house clean. uh, I don't work or studying on the weekends, and so I have more free time. uh, mm, that's my daily routine. Bye bye.